everyone, welcome back to my channel, the ultimate place for you to live, look and feel your absolute best. Hi, it's me. So today we will be talking about this mask. So this is by PeppiCo. It is the LED light therapy mask, and this apparently has a lot of benefits for your skin. So we will be talking about this today. So before we get started, I will tell you a little bit about this brand. So they are Australian made, and it's a Queensland based company, and it's a family business. So this is a really hyped up product. So I had almost bought another one from Dr. Dennis Gross, which is like $700, but thank God I looked at this one and I decided to try this because this is only $179, and compared to the benefits that you are getting, trust me, it is really value for money because you get a good quality product and it's doing the same things, and it's hell lot affordable. It's hell less expensive than all the other ones. But before we dive into this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of the future videos. So let's get started. The PeppiCo mask is safe, comfortable and effective way to improve and protect your skin. It has medical grade LED, gives full spectrum, therapeutic blue light which zaps acne causing bacteria, and even the red light aids with anti-aging, and yellow light dilutes pigment by increasing blood circulation. So it helps detoxify skin and prevent wrinkles. Impressive. I use a sleep eye mask to get more soothing experience without too much light in my eyes, even though they have got a protective built-in eye slit thing to protect the eyes, but I prefer using this so that I can relax. Each light therapy goes for 10 minutes and it switches off itself, and it should be done at least 3 times a week. So 3 sessions of each shade of light. That's it. Sit back and enjoy. So the final verdict is that this little piece is definitely worth a try, and obviously it's gonna take time for you to see results because it's not a quick fix. I mean, nothing is, unless you just want to cover your skin up with makeup or go for any clinical procedure, and yeah, but otherwise I would say it's for the price and for what you're getting, it's definitely worth a try. And a single sitting at a skin clinic for light therapy is way more expensive. So yeah, and it comes with 30-day money back guarantee as well, so you have nothing to lose. Try it and see how you go. So please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next week. Bye, take care, stay safe.